एनिमेशंस के थ्रू समझेंगे कि ब्रीदिंग क्या होता है. द मैकेनिकल प्रोसेस ऑफ टेकिंग एयर इनटू द लंग्स एंड एक्सपेलिंग एयर आउट ऑफ द लंग्स इज कॉल्ड एज breathing. In human, it involves the concentration and relaxation of diaphragm and ribs muscles to move air in and out, and allowing the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between lungs and environment. Now we have done breathing. ब्रीदिंग हमने जान लिया कि ब्रीदिंग होता क्या है. अब इसके कंपोनेंट्स के बारे में हम एक एक करके पढ़ना शुरू करेंगे. टॉपिक एक एक चेंज करते जाएंगे और उसके बारे में डिस्कस करते जाएंगे. फर्स्टली हम देखेंगे कि आउट ब्रेथ क्या होता है. एक्सलेशन इज प्रोसेस ऑफ ब्रीदिंग एयर आउट ऑफ द लंग्स इज कॉल्ड एज आउट ब्रेथ. नाउ इन ब्रेथ. In breath is basically composition of inhaled air. In breath is the mixture of true gases for the atmosphere that enters into your body, primarily consisting of about 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and a small amount of other gases like argon and carbon dioxide. Now, the mechanism of breathing. It involves two phases, that is inhalation and exhalation, and it driven by the muscles contractions and relaxation that change the volume of pressure of the chest cavity. अब इतना करने के बाद हम एनिमेशंस के थ्रू समझेंगे कि एक्चुअली में ब्रीदिंग क्या होती है. When you breathe in, air moves through your throats, also called as pharynx, and air flow down in your windpipe, also called trachea, and is spreading like the throat tree-like structure. Now each tiny breath in negative suctions pressure the soft tissue in your mouth and pharynx. Inward of muscles your pharynx respond by the pulling out soft tissues that your raises again, which keeps your airway open. When you sleep, it's normal for the muscles out of your mouth and tongues and pharynx to be a slack slightly, but it's not to enough block your